Jai Hind everyone. We are studying rational numbers and our today's topic is to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. In our previous video, we learned that there can be infinitely many rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. So this is an application of that property of rational number. There are two methods to find rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. So this is method number 1 which we are following here. If a and b are two rational numbers and c is any rational number between a and b, then c can be found by taking average of these two rational numbers, means c is equals to a plus b by 2 where a is less than b. For example, find two rational numbers between 4 and 5. 4 is less than 5, that's why we have selected a equals 4 and b equals 5. If a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 5, and in the given question we have to find two rational numbers, so let c1 and c2 are two rational numbers between a and b. In the given diagram you can see that here suppose it is a here and b here, and we have taken c1 lying between a and b. So c1 will be equal to the average of a and b, means a plus b by 2. Value of a is equals to 4, value of b is equals to 5. 4 plus 5 divided by 2 equals 9 by 2 equals 4.5. Therefore we have find first rational number between 4 and 5 and it is equal to 4.5. But we have to find two rational numbers between a and b. So now we have two options. We can find the second rational number c2 either between a and c1 or between c1 and b. So here we have selected a and c1. So let c2 lies between a and c1, means in this region we are going to find our second required rational number. It can be found between c1 and b also. So if c2 lies between a and c1, then according to this formula c2 will be equal to the average of these two numbers a and c1. So c2 will be equal to a plus c1 divided by 2. Value of a is 4 and value of c1 is 4.5. So 4 plus 4.5 divided by 2 equals 8.5 by 2. It is equals to 4.25. Therefore the required second rational number between 4 and 5 is 4.25. You can see in the given diagram. A equals 4, B is equals to 5. C1 is the first required rational number between A and B, and C2 is the second required rational number between A and C1. Therefore, two rational numbers between A and B are C1 is equals to 4.5 and C2 is equals to 4.25. By following this method, we can find infinitely many rational numbers between 4 and 5. This is second example, and another type of finding rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. This is method number 2, and in method number 2 there are two types of questions. Type number 1, when denominators are equal. In this question we have to find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So here is your solution. First of all, we will check whether the given denominators are equal or not. Yes, in this question denominators are equal, so it is of type 1 question. Now find equivalent rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. 3 by 5 is equals to 3 by 5 multiplied by 10 by 10 is equals to 30 upon 50. 30 upon 50 is an equivalent rational number of 3 by 5. Similarly, 4 by 5 multiplied by 10 by 10 is equals to 40 upon 50. Therefore, 40 upon 50 is an equivalent rational number of 4 upon 5. Why we have multiplied it by 10 by 10, and can we multiply it by some another number also? Is there any rule? Yes. There is no rule that we will always multiply it by 10 by 10. We can multiply it by 7 by 7, 5 by 5, or by any number. Then how will you be able to select by which number you will multiply to find the equivalent rational number of any given rational numbers? The reason is there. We have to observe how many rational numbers we have to find. In this question, we have to find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Therefore, the difference between the numerators should be greater than 5. Here, after finding the equivalent rational numbers of 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, the numerator here is 30 and here is 40, and the difference between 40 and 30 is equals to 10, and 10 is greater than the 5. Why it should be greater than 5? Because we have to find 5 rational numbers. Suppose we have to find 10 rational numbers here. Then the difference between the numerators of equivalent rational numbers should be greater than 10. Not equal, it should always be greater than 10. In this case, it should be greater than 5, and 10 is greater than 5. That's why we can find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 easily. What we will do next? 30 is smaller than 40. So we will keep adding 1 in the numerator of the smaller rational number. So the 5 required rational numbers between 30 by 50 and 40 upon 50 are 30 plus 1, 31 upon 50. 31 plus 1 is equals to 32 upon 50. 32 plus 1 is equals to 33 upon 50. 33 plus 1 is equals to 34 upon 50, and 34 plus 1 is equals to 35 upon 50. These are the 5 required rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, or we can say between 30 by 50 or 40 upon 50. It is not necessary that you will write these 5 as your answers. You can also write 39 upon 50, 38 upon 50, 37 upon 50, 36 upon 50, and 35 upon 50 as the required rational numbers. Means your answers may be differ. It is not necessary that you all are getting the same answers. If you will multiply it by 8 by 8, then the answers will be differ. If you are multiplying it by 10 by 10, then your answers will be differ. In fact, the difference of the answers can be seen or can be observed here. In the first part, we have taken these as our answers, and in the second part, we have taken these as our answers. Both answers are correct because 35 upon 50 to 39 upon 50, these all numbers lying between 30 upon 50 and 40 upon 50. Also 31 upon 50 to 35 upon 50, all these numbers are also lying between 30 upon 50 and 40 upon 50. Therefore both the answers are correct. So this is the type 1 question of second method when denominators are equal. In our second method, we will do type 2 questions when denominators are not equal. Method number 2 and type 2 when denominators are not equal. In this example, we have to find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 7. Why it is a type 2 question? Because denominators are different. Denominators are 5 and 7 here, and these are different. What we will do here? First of all, we will make their denominators equal, and LCM will help us in doing so. So first of all, we will take LCM of 5 and 7. LCM of 5 and 7 is equals to 35. Now we will convert both denominators equals to 35. In order to convert 3 by 5 into 35, we will multiply it by 7 by 7, so that it will equal to 21 upon 35, and 4 by 7 will be equal to 20 upon 35, because we have to find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 7. So the numerators of the rational numbers should be greater than 5, and here in this case the difference is 21 minus 20 is equals to 1, and 1 is less than 5. Therefore what we will do, now we will find the equivalent rational numbers of 21 upon 35 and 20 upon 35, so that their difference should be greater than 5. 21 upon 35 multiplied by 10 by 10 will be equals to 210 upon 350, and 20 upon 35 will be equal to 20 upon 35 multiplied 10 by 10, 200 upon 350. Denominators are same here and denominators are also same here. Now we will find again the difference of the numerators, and difference here is 210 minus 200 equals to 10, and 10 is greater than 5. Why it should be greater than 5? Why it should be greater than 5? Because we have to find 5 rational numbers. Therefore the 5 required rational numbers between 210 upon 350 and 200 and 350 are 200, then we will add 1 in 200, so that it will equal to 201 upon 350, 202 upon 350, we keep on adding 1, 203 upon 350, 204 upon 350, 205 upon 350. Now we have completed our this topic when we have to find few rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. In fact, there can be infinitely many rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. So we have studied two methods here. First is by formula, c is equals to a plus b upon 2, and second by this method. Thank you.